Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Surabhi and I'm giving you a busy book today. These are the busy books which I use in our homeschool. These are actually for my kids. So the age is, that's a written 7-year-old. The questions are about numbers, big and small. We are be doing some puzzles regarding weight, which are some fun games, and understanding time. Just don't take age as this bottom line. You see these kind of concepts, how much advanced your child is or how much she has to work on it, and accordingly take the activities. This girl, elder one, just turned 7, so just for information, but just focus on the problems and see would your child will like it, what level of understanding he is, and how can we explain it. Just don't go by age critically. Okay, so first we are doing with numbers. So first is make numbers. Smallest 2-digit even number, it will be 10, but I want to see her, what is her thought process. Greatest 2-digit odd number, 99. That's what it'll be the answer. But we know all this, but these are the things which we never talked about in our homeschool. So I just thought, let's see what does she think. So there's a 2-digit number, easy. Now we are going to little more. Smallest 3-digit odd number. So this number has to be odd. Rest whatever it is, So we'll talk about all this. Once she does it, maybe we can do a 4-digit number. So when we do these busy books, it's more of a discussion kind of activities where we may extend it, we may explain it, we just get done with it in a minute, like that. But yeah, this is a new concept and I want to see how she thinks about it and does it. Now we are going to find the weight. So this is, again, I made a weighing balance where 2 rectangles, 2 circles, its weight is equal to 1 rectangle and 4 circles. So what will be the weight of a rectangle? So thinking of it, you just remove these 3. The weight of this one is 2 circles and 1 circle is 1 unit. It's very easy for me, but my girl who has never seen a weighing machine or just seen a hanger, DIY hanger weighing setup, these things do not come easy to her. Yeah, she has never seen weights or anything, so we are trying to explain them the weight with this way, how the weighing balance actually works. So this is complicated for her, but I just want to see, we talked about it long back and I want to see, does she recollect it, or what is, where is she in the weighing understanding? That is the intention. So there's only one question. If she gets it through, I know that she got the concept. If she doesn't get it, I know that I have to create more activities for weighing thing. This one is, again, weight of A is 5 units, weight of B is 3 units. A is heavier than B by how many units? So it's more of a comparison, which I think she can do. This is the easier one. Now we are going to the next one. Again, understanding time. So we have talked about this when we talk about days and months and birthdays and everything. We look at watch, everything, but that's what the activity is here, where it is like she knows that one day has 24 hours. This she knows. Now 2 days has how many? That's 24 into 2. But can she add them? Does she make the logic of it that 2 days means 48 hours? This is that. How 1 minute has 60 seconds? She knows it. Does she know 3 minutes has how many seconds? Multiplication, but again making her think. 1 hour has 60 minutes. She knows that. How much half hour is? It'll be 30 minutes, but that's what, these things we have never talked, like multiplication or division or all these things. So we just want to see, does she infer it naturally or I have to explain to her. So that's why it's understanding time here. Now it's ascending order. Again, the time, I have written different times. 60 seconds, 1 minute 10 seconds is basically 70 seconds. Half a minute, it's again 30 seconds. I know, she doesn't know. I need to see, does she know? 120 seconds, it's again 2 minutes, but yeah, 120 seconds. And 1 hour. 1 hour has 60 into 60. So I want her to write these ones in ascending order. So I have given a number so that she doesn't have to write 60 seconds or 1 minute 10 seconds. Just which of these one is the smallest number. So basically this 30 seconds will be the smallest, right? So she has to write number 3. Then she goes to number 1. Then goes to number 2. Then she goes to number 4. And then goes to number 5. But this is how we are going to start understanding the time exactly, reading watch is one thing, but otherwise how does we do it? Now this thing again, it came from our discussion 24-hour format and 12-hour format, because my watch is also digital, that says 12-hour format, but they saw clock in the bus where it was showing a 24-hour format, and she asked the question like, what is 22:10, what does it show? And then we talked about it, what is 24-hour format, what's 12-hour. So I explained to her in the bus. Now I have put that in an activity so that I can get it, like if 22:10, which she saw in the bus, what time it will show. So I explained to her again, but I'll see did she remember it. If she not, then it's okay, I'll again explain to her that this is what is 24-hour format and how we calculate this thing. And it is complicated for her because yeah, this is a new thing for her. So that's what we are going to try with 16:25 and 8:15. So when it is 8:15, it's actually AM, right? That's what it is. It will be 8:15 AM. Again, a trick question, but yeah, this is what we are going to see here. So that's all as a busy book for my elder one, and hope you enjoy the same. Bye bye.